Good evening, everybody. You all know who I am. I'm Blake Griffin. I'm a biracial dinosaur that plays for the Detroit Pistons. I think that it's unfair that I've been ruled to pay $250,000 in excess of $250,000 a month in child support. With that money, I could be supporting the entire city of Detroit.
Wow.
By itself. So I don't understand why y'all won't let me be great. Now I will hand it over to my lawyer, Rudy Giuliani.
It's America's mayor. I'm here. I'm representing, this guy here. He's $500,000, but whatever. I don't think he should pay that much money. You know, if a guy like me with racist teeth, and butterscotch bottoms can get away with having 4 girlfriends and paying for nobody, why should this guy have to pay $250K? Think about that while you listen to this audio art. This is episode 221. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck your mother. Don't fuck your mother, actually, because that would be incestuous and I would have to prosecute. I'm America's man. I'm coming back. 9/11, how?
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Oh shit!
Oh damn! No, that was dark.
Wow. Episode 121. 121.
It's been long enough.
What? It's been long enough.
It's been long enough to make 9/11. It's been.
You can't. You can't.
Make
You
9/11 jokes
because it breaks my heart as a native New Yorker, as someone who was here when tokens had a hole in the middle of them.
Oh wow!
The idea that one day 9/11 will be meaningless. It will not be a holiday. It's gonna be
because like Pearl Harbor.
Exactly like Pearl Harbor. What day is Pearl Harbor? No one knows.
A day that will live in infamy?
Yeah. You only know about Pearl Harbor because you open your MacBook and your calendar is like, today's Pearl Harbor. You're like, ignore. Next is like, today's Feast of Festivus. Other unknown holidays that your MacBook is celebrating. Yo, it's your boys, the Bodega Boys. You know what it is. Also, shout out to Mero coming up with a new term in that intro, the Butterscotch Bottoms. Just a delicious set of twinks. Yo, we're coming to you live from Red Bull Studios, 220 West 18th Street. To the drop. Yeah. This is that crystal clear clarity on a Friday morning. Where it's hot and soggy and humid outside.
You're welcome.
You listen to this on a Monday, but listen, you're going back in the past. All right.
Yo.
We'll come to you. We're in the past, but right now we're talking to you in the future.
Yo.
Don't get lost.
And our presence is the present.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo.
Word is born, God.
Word is born. Word is hey.
Yo, I'm studying 120, God.
This is actually the first episode that's a palindrome.
Oh, shit.
It's not.
It's not.
But you had to stop thinking. You're like, what about episode 22, episode 33, 44?
33, 44, 11, 34.
I just like to fuck with your heads. All right. Hope you got a big glass of water. Get out your yoga mat. You know what I'm saying? Get your towel ready.
No.
It's a new exercise we like to call AKA aesthetics.
Oh,
all right?
Shit.
What I want you to do, you gotta work out while we do the AKs. Because you're like, what's the point of the AKs?
Yo.
You about to do the wild, this is your Peloton.
Hell
okay?
Yeah.
Me and Mero, we
Let's
are
go.
shirtless in the front of your house right now.
Ready.
We got the little Madonna Vogue microphones right there.
Bro.
We're like, you too can get ripped.
That's right.
All right?
Rubbing Henny on my chest.
Give me 20 sets. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's your boy D's Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat Interior. Ladies in the back, let me see those knees. But higher. Chris Nassel Sling, the Eli Lippy, Boots Billy Scully. Sober that might know you, but Young Day Party. 4 more sets. Young Day Party.
Yeah.
DJ Fuego. Mr. Nanas with a rondo. Come on, one more time, ladies.
Keep your core tight.
1994 in Nueva York. Mikhail going off. 3 more sets. Let's go.
You got
the
it.
Juve boss. MC looking good. He pulling up for 40 with your shorty.
Push
AKA don't
yourself.
talk to me in the Uber pool. Why class?
I don't know yet.
That's right. 5 more. Let's go. One. The original one plus one got a plus one. Don't make a fuss. These is Rossi in the what? Chicken Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Powder goes to Mufasa. Young Chuck Clooney out the Coonery. A.K. Chili Lamone. Left-handed receiver for the Yankees. Okay. All right. Take a break. Cool off.
All right, okay, cool. This is a water break? Cool.
Psych! 3 phones
No,
down.
shit.
DJ Machina, Jay Chuckles. Let's go. Stanley Cups. Demon Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio. Come on now. Get those summer bodies ready. Let's
give me
go.
3 more
Never too
dilutes.
late. Mr. 240 P like my Pinot Blurry. Cooling off period. All right. Everyone, take a break. DJ Woolites. AKA listen to Wash FM.
Oh, shit.
Today we have 4 hours of who?
That's right.
Dirty Vegas.
Oh my God.
Y'all remember this shit?
Remember this shit?
White girl pop rock music.
Still a whisper on my lips. A feeling at my fingertips. It's pulling at my skin.
Where were you when this came out?
Yo.
You leave me when I'm at my worst. Feeling as if I've been cursed.
Go ahead, Mero, sing the song. Right? Now we fill the club with smoke. Here we go.
Still I think of you. Yeah!
Take the shirt off, welcome to
This is my
Pasta.
shit, this is my shit, bro! Bro, this is my shit, bro! This is my fucking shit, bro!
Who got my whistle? Let's go!
Yo!
Woo! Oh, big moment for the culture. Big moment for the culture.
Ron, stop!
More sets. Let's go. The Curry Go. Desus Spicer. Jamal Hack from the Bronx. Celine Dion. Ray nephew the rain. Oh, you cannot contain him. And I be in a container store and I look at her like, y'all are my enemy. Yeah. Don't try to contain me.
No.
Can't contain me.
Undoable.
Undoable. Put that lid away. I'm not going in. I'm not shacking up.
Nah.
The human memory. Word to y'all. Young era and the racist provocateur.
Yes.
That's right. I make racist comments
Yeah.
to get the timeline popping.
Yeah, that's
I'll
right.
admit it. I'll never get hired by the New York Times.
He admitted it. He did it.
Yeah. Let's do a 19-minute song. Yeah. Nelson Bandela. Sergio Can't See Me. Vladimir Buffin. Yes, I colluded. You know.
Yes,
Human Words Melting in Your Mouth. Mr. Beck on Tekken. Ricky Tiki Squabby. Greg Popovich. More say it with your chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee, but I got that what?
What? Cucumber.
And the head is tick.
Yo.
The juice is pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peck on the Fashion Over Cash Nova. William makes cents, 5 cents, 10 cent dollar. Now listen.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Them no one.
Your ATM only does $5 bills?
No, them not one that.
Well, forget the small change. Why?
No, why? Why you need?
Give me the big money one. 5 more cents tomorrow. Big girls back. Let's go with those things. The only anthem I salute is what?
Dipset.
Woo! Mr. Saga, catch me at square one. Top left, man.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro. I
Hey,
got some poutine.
Trill Rizzuto. Hey, holy cow, catch me at the Muddy Store. I'm on
Yeah.
WPIX after the Yankee games on the Honeymooners. Mr. Sopons, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and woo, it's me, Sunny D.
Hey, cuz.
Hey, don't drink that milk. It's been here for 3 weeks. David Yerman. Decent bloody show.
Oh, shit.
Smokeem, no, I've been working on my shooting.
Into a bowl of weed?
Wow. Andrew, cool nanny. I'll put tape over your mouth and then ask you to beg me to take it off so you can breathe. Okay, the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down by me.
Yo, sit on it.
Call me Pet Cause why?
Yo, bitch is on freeze.
I got your bitch on
You know what I'm
freeze.
saying? She's not getting groomed right.
Nah. The topic of gossip and psyosis. Yo, did you hear the LIRR derailed?
Oh, my
Stanley,
God.
I'm not going to be home till 10.
Oh, my God.
Oh, make a dump cake for the kids.
Oh, God.
Mr. Chopping that street easy like a bad breeze, like I'm easy. Please believe me, the black Asian addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina, with fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, a.k.a. your problematic bae. Let's go. I have a root canal and I probably have a tooth infection, but I'm going to use fish antibiotics instead of going to the doctor.
That's
there
smart.
you go.
Smart.
There
That
you
was
go.
very
Up
respectful
next,
of you.
we
You know what
got.
I'm saying? It's
Oh
your boy.
wow! Imagine if you took a Platino. You got to do a wild backstory. It's like
You know what I'm
Mero
saying?
got shot in the streets,
You know
got
what
killed
I'm
by
saying?
goons.
Yeah, I
We
mean-
rushed him to the hospital,
Yo.
and they were like, the only way to save him, we have to put his existence inside the Platino.
Yo, it has to.
He's $1,000 Platino.
Yo,
The $6 million Platinum. We put mad work into you, and then your mother just chops you up and fries you. You're like, no, he's a person now.
It's okay, papi. He's delicious. Yo, it's your boy, the fucking kid. Yeah, nigga, listen, this is the insanity fucking AKA.
Let's go.
Keep your fucking core tight.
Y'all niggas,
Keep your core tight. Keep
y'all
your
want
feet
AKs?
high.
Y'all want to hold your set. Hold your set.
Hold your
That's
fucking
right.
dick. Keep
1,
your core
2,
tight.
3. Keep it tight. Keep it
Yeah,
tight.
it's your boy, Kid Mero. He
punching
been
people
doing
in
that
the stomach.
flap.
Like, yeah.
Do it. It's your boy, Kid Mero, AKA he been doing a flap, AKA Curve Gotti, AKA Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? AKA Skirt. Loader, I hop the curb, hit the dog, hit the baby, hit the fucking nigga mailbox, nigga. I don't give a fuck, keep moving, take my plate, I don't care, nigga, because the shit is fake. AKA, I don't fucking baby, I fucking Ming, my nigga. AKA, There is absolutely no need to check the fucking guest list, nigga. I am the guest list. You fucking worm burger with extra bozo sauce. Don't make me get my fucking Yakubian spouse to call the manager, nigga.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? You fucking coward. AKA CC Dab Bathia. AKA I got my daughter taking tennis lessons with Serena Williams. Shit is so serious. She's like a dive in her last match just to stay on schedule with the Bodega Princess, man. You know why? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. AKA Bitch Smack Miombo. You know what I'm saying? AKA the Yayo Mero daughter. You know what I'm saying? I got the booty. AKA dick in your baby jumbo. You don't come with this pussy no more unless you bring me 50 gold dowry. Okay? Yes, I like this one. This is good.
You got to bring the goats.
No, this one here is too bony. Bring me another one.
Another goat.
Another goat.
We need more goats in the back. Bring them out.
Yo. AKA Bottles Antenna. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car.
I have that next. What are you doing?
Oh my God. AKA the Dominican Dundada Dagman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? Catch niggas out locksmith. You know what I'm saying? By the time this comes out, this will have already happened. And I hope you got your merch, nigga. AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Put the plastic bag on that shit. You're embarrassing us both. You know who I am. I was the fucking voice of the Rafiki and Lion King, nigga. How dare you disrespect me? AKA
the circle of life.
You know what I'm saying? It was kind of weird that Nala and Simba were like kind of siblings, but they smashed.
It was also kind of hot. It was kind of hot. I'm not even gonna lie.
It was weird.
It was like that. Listen, sometimes the stuff you click at Pornhub at 2 a.m, you don't want to deal with it at 10 a.m.
Exactly.
I'm just saying.
You don't want to you need to close that window because if you open it up the next morning,
if you watch a porn and it's like it says not.
Yeah.
Listen, if it's like not mother fucks brother, I mean, listen, talk to your therapist.
Yes, exactly. There's some issues there. You know what I'm saying? AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me find out. Yo, live from the bodega, I'll kiss your girl in the mouth. You know what I'm saying? That rhymes. I got bars. Think I was good. AKA like now touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you're broke ass and you're fine.
Oh, this nigga don't go fuck. Every week, this nigga don't go fuck.
Every week, bro. Every week.
Why you even come out here?
Bro, it's like niggas, when we do the live shows, niggas sing this shit, and this nigga still pull up with $5. I don't believe it. Where did you even get a $5 bill, bro? I'm starting to feel like Diddy when he saw that $1 bill and stack of money. Like, what is this shit, bro? The fuck out of here, nigga. I'm about to disrespect your mother.
I feel sad for you. Not me.
Not me.
Damn.
Fucking clown, get out of here. Beat it. AKA Tom Prince, your girl got my balls inflated, you know what I'm saying? But we out here still. AKA feel that sex and I want to explore your cosmos mind. Especially a Milky Way, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Taste that. Oh, man. Ooh, it tastes like lamb chowder. You know what I'm saying? Delicious.
New England country.
AKA final Messi MVP is Relato. AKA Zanny Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. A lot of people did not know that Zanny Bedingfield was also related to Natasha Bedingfield. Wow, ridiculous. We talked about that last week also. Who cares? AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. Yo, and if you wasn't there when fucking P.O. was a hookah boy nigga, now the nigga glowed up and he got several TV shows, you was not real.
Did you see they found maggots at the sushi at Mama Sushi?
Which one, the diamond one?
Yes.
The flagship?
Yes.
Nice.
It was on Instagram and people was just like, it was like, I'm never eating there again. I'm like, yo, nigga, that's free protein.
Like, give me that
ask those kids in Thailand that was stuck in the cave and fucking maggots is not the wave, all right? Shout out to Mama Sushi, leading the culture.
You know what I'm saying?
All right? Where else can you get grubs uptown?
No.
If it's good enough for Timon and Pumbaa, it's good enough for you.
Fuck that.
Yesenia.
Order this shit on Grubhub, nigga.
Nigga, like, let me get an extra side of millipedes.
Please.
Nigga said Grubhub.
I need some mealworms. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your weak, ungifted eyeballs with mine so you can see the vision. Mixtape out now, link in bio. AKA, open your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga. You know who it is. It's the Benzo God. It's the Zen Man. It's gonna be AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius Lion ass nigga, man. This ain't a water cup, man. It's an extra small beverage, man. Here, I got free refills, man. Come on now. AKA Baby Newport 2-5 niggas got garbage on the way. AKA Need Your Brush to call it down. AKA live from the end of City Island trying to steal your brims. It's the East Tremont CVB doing all his famous hits like I wanna be the one your TT is fucking and Dope Sick Love, come back to me. You know what I'm saying? AKA There's no more rock stars, mate. There's only 2 rock stars left on this planet, mate, and it's the Bodega Boys, you know what I'm saying? Just came across the pond for Nish, just to let you know. And it's the plantain secret over in the
the sky. One day you will find me on wings, but just look me a dreamer. With a pint of activists in my butthole.
We gotta do one day. Okay, the next live show, we gotta bring out the choir for that.
Yeah, they gotta. No, we gotta actually bring out Oasis. Them niggas are probably
they ain't doing shit.
They ain't doing shit.
Oasis, what are you doing? Get over here.
Niggas are probably looking for Oasis. I met the Pope himself, Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. AKA, I linked up with B King in Houston. You know what I'm saying? We having a problem. It's your boy. Houston, we have a problem. It's your boy, Barmelos Anthony, pulling up from VIP. Bang! You know what I'm saying? AKA, if you see me at Target dumping Butterscotch in a housewares aisle, nigga, keep it moving, chef, chief, or approach me like a motherfucking earthside mammal, AKA a bear, nigga. Not an earthside mammal. I can't believe that we're still going through this. AKA, I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. You know what I'm saying? He's high off half a can of Fresca. I poured cat piss in. He's in the booth right now talking about purr, lick. I wish I could suck on my own dick.
Oh, wow.
You know what I'm saying? Wow.
It's not even 10 a.m.
Wow.
It's not even 10 a.m.
Wow. Really?
I know that's the AKAs, but you just can't be saying shit like that. They're gonna push this up. You're never gonna work for the New York Times. You're gonna be fucked.
Enough of this. I code 311. I moved to Dykeman from Iowa. They do this every night. What is this?
El machote que te de cocota.
Is that a megaphone?
El Obama del drama, ¿qué es lo que?
I'm on the next door
en la casa. Tengo una tabla que te deja tirado como una colilla de cigarrillo. Cacoñema, no venga a mi mesa si tiene hambre.
I work for Refinery 29. I have to get up very early tomorrow. What do you hear this noise?
Episodio 121. Episode 121. I gotta go because Megan is upstairs calling the police like a motherfucker.
You have a permit for this? You have a permit for the AKs?
Yes, I have a permit for everything, you fucking bitch. Get out of here.
He called me.
Get out of here. Get out of here. And stop bringing your friend. They're bringing bad bugs to my apartment building.
You know what?
Every day I come into your house and you have a bad bug in your sofa.
You know what?
Asquerosa.
You know what? If I had shoes on, I'd fight you.
Listen to me. Like the Bodega Boys telling to me, you're Jacobian devil. Un demonio Jacobio. Demonio.
Excuse you. Excuse you.
Yo.
I read Coldest Winter Ever in 10th grade. I know about black people.
She's just trying to get pictures. She put a picture of Jill Scott like, that's Sosa Soldier. Like, no. Wrong.
She's going to cops on you, but she's going to Afropunk next week. Like, shout out to all my gentrified, confused warriors out there. Episode 121. What are we going to talk about today? So many things have gone on. Oh my God.
Yo.
Now let's talk about so many things. Shout out LeBron James. He opened a school. For y'all little niggas.
The school is called I Promise to Teach You.
Now, every morning they gotta sing the Jagged Edge, I Promise, instead of the national anthem.
Yep.
They just got on like a beaded do-rag and shit.
To come to class and wear a fucking sleeveless vest. Baby, I promise.
Go ahead. Let me find out Mero got the pipes.
You know what I'm saying?
We find out Mero over here wasting his time with the podcast out here. I see, like, we did, low flex, we did a commercial, and Mero had on all white, and I was like, damn, this nigga look like all the color me bad. I wanna sex you up.
There was the one white dude in the group. I was like, that nigga's not sexing nobody else.
You know he got arrested last week for assaulting the other member of Calling Me Bad at a concert.
Oh God! Thank
First
you.
of all,
I'm so glad you said that because I thought you were gonna say
he died
for trying to sex somebody up.
No, I want to sex you up. I mean, I guess that's something. You could say that casually. Like, I don't know. If you're drunk, you could probably say that at a club. Like, you lean into a girl like, yo, I want to sex you up.
Oh, I sex you up.
But that's a threat. If I'm on a train, you're like, I want to sex you up. I'm like, what, nigga?
What does that mean?
That's not even like I want to have sex with you. It's like I want to sex you up. That sounds like you want the physicals.
Yeah, like
you want we throwing hands.
You want to sex me up?
Nah,
like,
nigga.
Nah, you fuck niggas up.
That's some jail shit. You tell a nigga that in the shower like, yo, I'm gonna sex
you up, nigga.
Yeah.
You straight sex, you straight buns.
Yo, ooh, like sleeping this nigga's blowing your ear like, ooh.
Yeah. He's here, ball go.
Nah, that's when you got to pull out the razor from your foreskin. Real ones know.
Yo.
So what's going on? Yo, shout out to the by the time you hear this, will be Monday. So the Red Sox Yankees series will be done after the Yankees got schmizacked yesterday. We don't talk about it because yesterday would have been Thursday. Yeah. Shout out to Joe Budden. You know what I'm saying? We're talking about the sports, and he said that this team is going to be the greatest Yankee team to not reach the playoffs. Can you disagree? I cannot. I'm like the way that you dropped that game against Baltimore that you should have won. That was a gimme right there.
They losing to shitty teams. They're still ahead of the Mariners. I take them in a 1-game playoff against the Mariners all day.
I don't know. The Yankees.
It's a 1-game playoff.
It's a 1-game playoff, but the Yankees have not been stepping up in those wild card games, dog.
Yeah,
you know.
I feel like you put Severino on the mound, you're good. Like,
you say that because he is a Dominican. I want to be a Dominican in a row.
Hey, Mike, first time, long time. Do you ever think that, Desus nice and the other guy nice get together and hang out sometimes?
It's a stupid question.
Well, when you get back from Mars, give us a call. All right? All right. Go fuck yourself.
Shout out to Mike Francesa's Twitter feed, which is clearly not Mike Francesa.
Yeah, nah, it's definitely not.
We all know that, but shout out to...
If it was, everything should be spelled phonetically.
Shout out to his tweet from August 1st. Some Yanks, comma, in a weird place.
Yeah.
Especially Torres, comma, again, in another weird place. Have to realize there are no days off in the pennant race.
Yep, I see that.
Wow.
All right, okay, buddy.
That was that coded language or some Yanks, especially Torres. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I mean, just say what you want to. Just say what you mean, Mike.
Go ahead, Mike.
Go ahead, just say it.
Go ahead.
They're not running out the first. You know, they're not sending their best people to this country.
You was saying that shit to Greg Burns, goofy ass. A nigga run like a dude crossing the street on a green light.
Haven't you heard the bird's word? Greg Bird. No, white Yankee players get a lot more leeway than...
Hell yeah, bro. Yo, Tyler Austin can lay down and jerk off in center field, dog. Like, and be straight. Like, Zach Britton fucked up by being like, yo, I'm Dominican. Now they're going to be like, oh, you're Dominican?
Gonna be an ass. Gonna be honest. Why would you say that? You keep that tucked. You keep that tucked, my guy.
He's like, funny story. I'm Delo Mio personal. Yeah.
Like, you don't gain anything from being Dominican. I mean, like, no, if you're Dominican, that's cool. You can't just pop it one day like, oh, buy BT Dub. Like, this isn't prestige in like in Fortnite. You're not like
speaking of fucking
buy the Dominican skin.
Speaking of this is a nigga with a hookah. That's your collecting tool. Yeah, speaking of mistaken identity, our man, remember the guy that we talked about a long time ago on a now defunct show?
Yeah.
Cleon Brown, the guy who was a white dude who discovered that he was partially black. He was 20% black, and then he celebrated his heritage, and he was made fun of by the rest of the cops. Now he sued them niggas for $70,000 and won. They settled out of court for $70,000. But the nigga name was Cleon Brown, so how the fuck you know you're not... How did you not know you were black if your name was Cleon Brown? Like, fam, if you told me, yo, Cleon Brown is walking through this door right now, I'm expecting somebody that looks like Ving Rhames.
That's a hard name.
You know what I'm saying?
That is a hard black name.
Cleon Brown.
That sounds like a name like a racist game developer in Japan making Double Dragon back in the 90s. They're like, we have to have a black guy. What would his name be? Cleon Brown.
Cleon Brown. Make him Cleon Brown.
I'm sorry. If I'm an HR recruiter and I see Cleon Brown, I don't care how proficient you are in Microsoft Office. I feel like you're going to make the rest of the office uncomfortable. Cleon Brown. Yeah, come on down. Cleon Brown.
Nigga sound like he makes some mean ribs, nigga.
If you name it Cleon Brown, I expect to come to your cubicle. There's going to be Dutch guts. Maybe a grape swisher. You got
a carburetor for a Toyota.
I'm just expecting just like Shirley Sharp. Sharp right there, like, yo.
Skill. Skill.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, shout out to him, bro. He's like the only good thing about that entire network.
Wow. I mean, they got hits. You know what I'm saying? He's cool. Every day he's a meme. And it's like, is he cool with that though?
I think so. I think he fucks with it because
He fucks with it, but it's just like-
he does it extra. Like he throws on the do-rag at the crib.
It's weird though because like we're memes now. Like shout out to our one of the greatest shows ever.
Yes,
we're not on top.
Yeah, I mean,
you know what I'm saying.
Yeah,
but now
like
every now and then on Twitter you see us like people use us as a reaction gift. People who have no idea who we are, have no idea of the show, have no idea what the GIF is or is it GIF? GIF? What do we?
The guy who invented it said it was GIF, but fuck that nigga, B.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We've been saying GIF is GIF.
It's a GIF.
It's a GIF,
GIF
bro.
is the president.
You know
but yeah, you see it. Like I see people using a reaction, like, and people have no idea.
No.
Or like, what the fuck? Like, you know what I'm saying?
You
gotta live long enough to be made, as Jara would say.
Yeah, that's right, yo.
That's right.
Get a meme. Yo, he said this shit with such confidence.
He was like,
bro.
meme.
He's like, yo, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to become one of the memes. I was like, meme, nigga. That's just all like an item on the fucking Indian food menu. Like,
Don't forget.
what?
White Genocide, we're opening up for Fry Festival next year
right,
again.
bro.
They bringing us back because we killed it last year.
That's right, bro.
You know what it is.
Loyalty to the fuck up.
Fry Fest, where the fuck are you? Are you hungry? Yeah.
Wow.
Excuse me, announcement. Stay away from the tent on the far side of the airfield.
Yes,
We've heard there's been a coup of the government. They're taking people hostage.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. You don't want to die from dengue. Everyone in the front is just like waving their hands. You think they're rocking with us? They're trying to like flag down a plane and save them and shit.
Please help.
I'm rich. I have it in.
I don't belong here. This is the wrong.
This is booking for white people. They're like, wow.
Sleep on the cot. Eat
Take
your
a sandwich as a pillow.
Damn, bro.
Damn.
What a lack of oversight that was, bro.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Wait for Bodega Fest.
Yo.
Wait for Bodega Fest. 'Cause you know what? I always say, like, we can't, like, fuck over Bodega Hive. Excuse my Rick and Morty. But yes, our whole thing, this is one big grift. I was just waiting for the big cash out. You know how they have Complex Con? We're going to have Bodega Fest. We're going to bring all Bodega Hive members out. And we're going to promise Wash Fest. We're going to promise merch and all this stuff. We're going to bring you out to a desert in New Mexico.
$1,500 a ticket.
Exactly.
Airfare not included.
We're not going to have meet and greet. We're going to have meet and sleep. You can pay money to sleep with either one of us. And you know what? Shout out to LGBTQ community. If you pay enough, like, let's just say whatever's whatever. If you
like,
pay, it doesn't matter.
It don't even matter because
you're not showing up.
They'll get gas and it's like, nah, nigga, we're actually sleeping. Like, we're taking a nap.
They're like, nah, I was like, no, nigga.
No,
like,
sleep.
Like, nigga, come cuddle.
We're going to
Let's
rest.
go.
Yeah. Get in this.
Wrap a nigga like a body pillow. Like, yeah.
Come here. Get in the crook of my arm.
All right, pay $50,000 so I can stroke your hair and watch you sleep. Yeah. How do you feel? I'll wake you up. I'm like, yo, your mom, you grinding your teeth. You had a long day? No food.
No.
All we have is bumbleclots. You want to survive for 3 days on the desert? It's like Burning Man. We're gonna burn a big effigy of Julie Giuliani. Actually, the more I talk about Bodega Fest, it sounds like a good thing.
Pretty lit.
I mean, everything we talk about on the show happens.
That's right.
Shout to Victor, the young guy who copped the ice cream truck.
That's right.
That's right. Look out for Mr. Nutcracker coming through your block with the mad noise violations.
Yo, that's just gonna have the wild fucking Radio Raheem boombox on it, bro.
Somebody back.
Yo, we got merch, y'all, nigga. Blah.
You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be all over the city. It's gonna be popping up in front of your favorite shops because you know what? To say the brand is strong at this point is insulting.
It's insulting.
We're beyond strong. I don't know. You know what?
It's like Atlas. It's like Atlas, bro.
Yeah.
Like we are the world is content, and we're just like holding it up. Like,
okay, that was an apropos description.
You know what I'm saying?
I was gonna say we're like, you know, when they say Cialis, if like you have an erection more than 4 hours,
yeah,
nigga, we on our 5th hour.
Yo,
we fucking the game.
Yo, we fucking, and we ain't calling a doctor.
We ain't calling a doctor.
Fuck the doctor, nigga.
No. Nigga,
you know what I'm saying?
This is Infinity Wars. I'm like, I got a new talent. Thanos, we want you bitch ass nigga.
Bitch ass nigga.
Fight him naked with my dick out. Like,
I'm impelling you with my
nigga
cock.
Punching me in my dick with the Infinity Stones. I'm like, it's the best you got.
He's like, no.
It's like,
I am powerless against this cock.
I got the Cialis stone. Fight me in Jamaica.
Cialis sounds mad wavy because it's like supposedly just gives you a boner when you want a boner.
Cialis gives you like, okay, Viagra's like, yo, Here's a boner. Now, nigga,
Now.
go. It's
Go,
like
go, go.
D-Day. It's like you getting out that, get out, go, storm the beach. Cialis is like you're cool. If you're in an interracial relationship, it's like your white uncle that lives in California and smokes weed, but it's like Reggie weed, but he smokes it all through the day, so he's mad chill. And it's just like, yo, you want a boner? Just let me know, I got you.
Yo, yeah.
The boner just comes up like, yo, what's up? Yes, up.
Yo.
It's not as aggressive. It's like a casual boner.
Nigga comes out with a robot and shit.
Yeah,
like,
it's like, what's up?
What's up?
What's going on, bros? What y'all doing?
what's
y'all
up?
chilling? All right, cool. You can mind if I chill here?
Yeah, can we chill?
Just boner gets on the couch. It's like, what we watching, Judge Judy?
Nigga
It's
starts
cool.
growing and shit.
Yeah.
Like, yo, why is he growing?
He's like, I'm sorry, I'm a boner, man.
Hey, that's what I do,
That's
man.
what I do, bro. Sorry.
Hey, you mind if we fuck?
Yeah, I mean,
Look,
no,
I mean,
I don't want to make it weird, but
know,
like,
but-
if you're not doing anything,
And I'm not doing anything. I mean, if we're two consenting adults, I mean, I feel like it's cool. Are you okay with that?
let's make it happen, bro.
All right, awesome.
He's got the show necklace and shit.
Yo,
After he fucks you, like he like gets a fucking surfboard and goes to surf and shit. He's like, nothing I love more than the waves. She's like, oh, he's cool. He's cool.
nigga out of the dick wetsuit.
I marched with Sharpton. I believe Tawana Brawley. I'm like, oh wow, you're an ally for real. You look at his Instagram. You look at his internet history is nothing but interracial porn. You're like, wow,
Wow, he's really,
really
about
down
it.
with the cause.
He's really about it.
He's like, listen.
He's watched every Prince Joshua scene.
He's like, listen. He's like, listen. A lot of people are overrated, but Cherokee, in my book, she was the best.
Oh, Cherokee Diaz.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yo, and she has the worst tattoo too. Like,
I mean, when you got a big ass, like I think that's the problem. You got too much space to work with. If you got a big ass, you gonna get a tattoo. Just get the big butterfly. Just get the big butterfly that flutters as you walk, man. You're gonna regret it in 20 years, but for now, I mean, when I see you on Bourbon Street, I'm like, yeah, ma. Damn, her ass is fat. Shit, I'm going to Crystals.
yo, Shorty tattooed Diaz on her ass. And it was just like,
So every now and then
It
during
looks kinda
Pinot, you
like-
see a tattoo, you're like, damn, ma, you was in a bad place when you got this tattoo. Like,
why did you get Japanese symbols tattooed on each one of your butt cheeks? Like, why did you do
if you could get a
that?
tattoo on your butt, get something nasty like spit hair with like an arrow on your butthole or something.
Yeah, nah. I've been watching Peter and they're kind of creep. Sometimes I get creeped out because it's like I'll be watching the Peter and you kind of pay attention to tattoos, but you don't. That's like the main focus. Like the main focus is the fucking. But like you catch a glimpse of a tattoo and it's like daddy's little girl or some shit like that. You're like, oh,
Yeah.
okay, all right.
I remember, shout out to my former job. Sometimes like you'd work with an actress or whatever, and they'd be like, "Could you try not to show my tattoo?"
Right.
So like the cameraman got to like go in certain
Finesse it.
angles and
Yeah,
shit,
yeah, yeah.
and then like pixelating shit like that is like you can't pixelate shit in a porno unless like it's Japanese porn. As soon as you pixelate shit, people are like stop it. Yeah, like that's the noise she make as she's taking off her bra. I'm like, yo, could you relax? Could you relax? Oh shit! Shout out to the sponsor who's back. It's your boy. Cheetos. They're crunchy.
Yo.
You hear Mero eating them right now.
Yo, word.
They're actually not a sponsor. They do not know that they are being mentioned on this podcast. But Cheetos, please send us a pallet of free shit. Because we have worked hard in our life. For what? Free shit. Give us free shit. Tesla, give us 2 Tesla 3s.
Yo, word.
Elon Musk.
The Model 3 is the shit with the gold wings, right?
Nah, that's like the broke boy shit. You want the X.
The X, right?
The X with
one
the
that's like
Gulf wings.
110.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking
They
about,
catch on fire randomly, but it's still the flex.
Yo, so
listen, Elon Musk, you coward with your receding hairline that you genetically fixed.
We can
You
help
are
with PR.
racist as fuck. But if you want us to co-sign you, give us 2 Teslas.
Yeah.
You got nothing else going on?
Yo, I got 4 kids, bro. Let me get the 3-row shit. Let me get
know
the
what I'm
Model
saying?
X with the gold wings. You know what I'm saying? We
Give
be
me that
alright.
shit. Let me and my cat go to Ridge Hill. You know what I'm saying? We go to Yard House.
You know what I'm saying? Get the
man.
nacho lunch special. You feel me?
There you go. Comes with crayons. I saw a guy the other day. He definitely was like watching other people's kids. It was like 6 kids at the table. And they were all the races and everything. And I was like,
Straight Valentine.
oh man. I was like, yo, couldn't be me.
God bless.
Couldn't be. 'Cause I went to Yard House and they were like, excuse me. They were like, do you need a high chair? It's a 40-minute wait for a high chair.
40-minute wait for a high chair?
I was like, nigga, ain't no high. They was like, oh shit, you got no kids. It was like, you get a table right now. Yeah, because they like at a certain part, it was the one in Ridge Hill. Shout out to the gang. Because you know why I go there? Because the Apple store right there and a movie right there. And what else? The Container Store, nigga. Yeah, no. You know I be getting on them drop from boxes. You know what I'm saying? Also for my real quick, you know what I'm saying? All my sneakerheads out there. Google save class of 2018 Container Store coupon. You will save 20% off on all your purchases. With the drop from boxes, brother. Listen.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Okay. Savings Desus.
Use promo code Desus for 20% off.
Promo code Desus. Making all my aunties in Jamaica very happy. Saving. Also, if you crack open a coconut, actually, if you buy a coconut, it's like stealing. Because you're paying for the coconut, but guess what you're getting for free? The water.
That's true. Mm-hmm. That's true.
Mm-hmm. Think about it. Think about it.
True thing.
Savings Desus over here. Savings. My middle name is Coupon.
Oh.
With a Q.
Ridge Hill's lit because like it's like the best mall to get smacked at because you can go inside and you can go outside. So like if it's like summertime and you're like, yo, it's getting hot out here, I'm mad smacked. You go inside in the air conditioning, get some ice cream, take a wild dump, go back outside. You know what I'm saying? And just do whatever you want.
Take a dump at the mall?
If you have to. If you absolutely have to. I'm one of those people that does not take dumps outside of my house. Like, I'm very weird about taking dumps in other places.
Unless it's an emergency, I'm not taking...
Like, unless it's like, yo, if you don't go now, nigga, the shit is coming in your pants, then, like...
I saw someone take a dump on the airport, in the airplane once, and I was just... Well, not in there. I mean, like, they clearly went into the bathroom.
If you shit in the airport bathroom, you're savage.
That means you made a bad decision before the flight.
You're like, yo.
Like, you was out there like, yeah, extra cheese on my quesadilla. Like, yo, nigga, you got a 7-hour flight. What are you doing? You know you're lactose intolerant.
Niggas like, let me get a smoke... Matter of fact, let me get a triple smoke shack with extra cheese and shack sauce.
Now you sit in the middle row.
And a milkshake.
Now you sit by the window. There's two people next to you. They're both asleep. And your guts is like...
Nigga, your guts is like, the bubble guts.
The bubble guts.
Rockin' to the beat.
The bubble guts. You just feel like, So you start making noise, try to wake up your people. Like, you just open and close your fucking tray table. Like, Oh, wow. Whoa, turbulence. Stewardess comes over like, yo, would you like a Coke or something? Like, I would like a Coca-Cola in the can, please. Just waking up people as soon as they wake up, like, excuse me, gotta go.
Gotta go, sorry.
You're in there and you do like,
sorry, I just peed on you.
You do the walk, you light it up and you press flush and all that comes out is like the little splash of airplane water. And you don't move none of the feces in that end. And there's people outside waiting. You like, when you come out, you gotta be like, that wasn't me.
That wasn't me, yo.
You gotta get your shaggy on. Like, nah, it was the person before me.
Fam, I've actually taking water in my hand from the sink.
For the sink and wash it out there? Listen, you can be a nasty nigga, but you can't be a nasty nigga. You feel me?
Come on.
Imagine you come back, you sit down, the air marshal just comes, put the gun on you, like, get up, you nasty nigga. They land the plane early. They take you out in cuffs. Niggas just booing you, going through just to the Missouri airport and shit, like, asshole.
You go to Florida, you end up in Morocco and shit somewhere, like emergency landing in Morocco because this motherfucker
They take you to a black site and torture you and shit. They're like, what do you do? Like, you were there with like Al Qaeda and shit. They're like, what'd you do? I did an IED at a mosque. They're like, what'd you do? I took the wild dry shit on the plane. They're like,
oh, it's the same thing.
Everyone runs to the other side of the cell, like, no. He's bad. I testify on him.
If you shit in an airport in an airplane bathroom, that is an IED. Like as soon as you open the door, that shit hits you right in the face, bro.
What makes it terrible? The bathroom is the toilet is metal, so the shit is like, and then it might do a little slide, but that's about it.
Yep.
That's about it. Yep. It's not like porcelain. You can't just keep flushing the shit.
Nah, bro. No, and this shit is mad noisy. Everybody hears it, and it's always. A little light flex. We usually are towards the front of the plane.
First class niggas.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
Respect the riders.
You know what I mean? And fucking the stewards. You know what I'm saying? I'm not
the flight attendants.
The flight attendants.
There you go.
Are all like right there.
Yeah.
Like right next to the fucking
and they know.
bathroom. Like they know what time it is.
They know.
Yo, my man been in there for like 20 minutes.
Ain't nothing.
I'm in there like, let's get it.
There's no pressure. Like, I guess I'm not white because the amount of pressure I feel when I'm in an airplane bathroom It's like, yo, hurry up. There's people
white
waiting.
people don't care.
White people be in there. They take their shoes off.
They take their teethers off. They don't
take
care.
a fucking sweater tied around their neck.
Yeah, nah.
They pull out a copy of Reader's Digest.
They put co-hooks in bathrooms specifically for white people. And every bathroom
They bring their laptop and shit. They're like, yo, what are you doing?
They got the Wi-Fi password on the inside of the stall and shit. Like,
oh shit! Niggas bring like fucking niggas doing needlework. Niggas knitting a light scarf. Like, sir, you're fucking up my cross stitch. What are you doing?
Excuse me, I'm making a blanket for my child.
Over, under, then loop. Over, under, then loop. Excuse me, can this plane stop by Michael's? I need more yarn.
Yo, like, we're sorry, but there's a Joanne's on the way. We'll stop there. Yo, wow, B. Shout out to airplanes.
Shout out to airplanes.
Now we're on that.
Shout out to airplanes.
Now we're on that Jerry Seinfeld tip where we're like, yo, we do shit so much that we just talk about it.
Everyone's like, I don't have that experience.
I don't know anything about that.
My favorite Jerry Seinfeld. Last time I saw him, and he was like, "What's Uber?" He's like, what is that? How do you get an Uber? I was like, this nigga is rich as fuck.
But imagine being Jerry Seinfeld and getting in an Uber. The Uber driver, if the Uber driver has any idea who you are, which he probably doesn't because he's from Ukraine, but like, imagine getting an Uber, you Uber driver, and Jerry Seinfeld gets in. He's like, what's the deal with Midtown right now?
All right, what's the deal with ride sharing? Like, imagine getting to an Uber pool. That's what you need to do.
I ordered an Uber pool. There's
Jerry
no
Seinfeld
water.
has riding in cars with comedians. He has comedians riding with him in his cars. We should do a show, and it's just riding with Desus and Mero in the Uber pool. Now it's just me and you. That's two people already in the Uber pool. And another person comes in. We interview them. And then the fourth person comes in. they just don't know what's going on. We don't tell them what the fuck's going on, whatever. And we're just asking them questions and stuff. We're like, are you familiar with this person? Now, fuck an Uber pool. If you have the money, treat yourself. You live in New York City. Get an UberX. You deserve it. Treat yourself, man. Life is short. You don't want to imagine you die. Imagine you fall in front of a train and your last thought before the C train runs over you is, damn, I should have took an UberX.
I should have took an UberX. I saved $2 though.
MTA don't care about you.
And when you really think about it, when you look at the price differential between UberX and Uber Pool, it's not that crazy.
Listen, you have to bet. Your time is money.
Yeah.
Okay? You're only on this earth for so many minutes.
Well,
take that extra money and don't waste it on Uber pool. Now you're talking to some girl and she's like, yo, I'm like, what are those those little fucking the ducks for Easter?
The Easter ducks?
All right, I know who I'm not calling.
The peeps.
The peeps.
Yeah, peeps.
So now you're in an Uber pool with some white girl in Bushwick, and she's like, I am starting a startup. It's run a peep. You can hold a peep for a day, and you got to send it back. And you're like, this is the stupidest shit I've ever heard. And then you got to see in New York Times, 5 weeks later, she got $5 million in upfront money from Facebook. All right? Do you want that? Everyone's running peeps. Yeah, you got that fucking restaurant that has the gold wings and shit, and niggas is there with like the rented peeps. P.O. got a rented peep on his head and shit. Yo. Bobby, this rented peep, how much this cost? I'm at locksmith. I'm like, yo, turn the music down. Hasan, turn the music down. Someone stole my peep.
Motherfucker,
it's blue.
Motherfucker peep
back.
Marshmallow.
Motherfucker, see my peep.
My peep back.
Come back.
Stop playing with me, yo.
I look over, Mero got like mad marshmallow on his mouth. I'm like, this nigga eat my peep?
I'm like, yo, sorry, the fried pickles here, mad good. I got a sweet tooth.
This nigga ain't my peep. That's a Mary J. Blige song. This nigga ain't my peep.
Yo, the fried pickles at Locksmith are absolutely delicious, so I gotta say.
Fried pickles?
Fried pickles, bro.
They're you know what?
Cornmeal fried.
Shout to, what's it called? Bistro? Bistro they have spicy jerk turkey wings.
Wow.
My God. As a person, first of all, I would never eat turkey wings, ever. Because there's chicken right there.
Big macaroni turkey wings and then you're starving.
Let me tell you something. Those wings were so good. And they passed the Desus smack test, which meant I did not eat them in the restaurant. When did I eat them? 3:45 a.m. over the sink.
Oh, yeah.
Naked with my dick out.
Yeah, that's how you
enjoying them. You know what it is. That's when I turned it. Rest in peace, juice box. He left you. We're gonna free you, my nigga. But I turned the juice box. I'm just over the sink, like seeing them. No, straight from the microwave on a napkin,
man. Bro.
You ever get food from the microwave and it's still too hot, but you eat it anyway?
You don't care. You don't care. Man, when I put a stack of like, I want to say 8 to 10 chewy chips ahoy in the microwave.
Also, a stack a week is $26K a year. Just don't know.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, word. You know what I'm saying? Because would you rather have that or would you rather have $1 million in cash in a briefcase right now? So I microwave this stack of cookies. They're blazingly hot, but they're fucking delicious. Right?
Yeah.
And it's like, yo, you can't help it, B. Niggas
Listen,
be smacked, bro.
hungry, third-degree burn.
That's it.
You gotta pick your battles, dog.
That's it, B.
That's
You know what I'm
my
saying?
D-Day right there, 4 a.m.
Are you a guy? Are you a not that hot guy at the pizza place?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, because-
me too. Because I want to just wolf that shit down as soon as I get it. I
A
don't
good
wanna
New York
blow on it for
pizzeria,
20
they make
minutes.
it stupid hot because they figure you're gonna eat it when you get home.
Yeah.
So they're like, yo, you probably live like mad miles away from here. We make it stupid hot. But if you're gonna eat it right there, like, yo, not that hot,
Not
man.
that hot,
Not that
bro.
hot.
Don't make
And
it
they're just like, I don't know what that means. I'm just gonna burn the shit out your pizza anyway. And you get the pizza, and you gotta do the New York thing, and you gotta fold it and let all the oil crease off it. And
Yes.
people are just like, that just means there's too much cheese and oil. Like, fuck you, that's your flavor,
you,
nigga.
it's
Fuck
tomato sauce.
You know what I'm saying?
It's
Don't-
dinosaurs.
Don't ruin things we've been doing in New York for years.
Fucking clowns.
All right, that's my nana sauce.
Yeah.
When my nana came all the way here from Patterson, she smuggled in her pizza recipe.
When she came here from Glen Rock,
Okay,
all right?
I remember. She went to Ellis Island. It was her and fucking Fetty Wap. Yeah, baby.
Is Fetty Wap still rich? What's his net worth? He's still rich, right? It
See,
hasn't
they
been
have
that
sites that were like, here's your net worth, but they don't have sites like, here's your net worth now.
long. No.
Because Fetty Wap was spending money. Like, but remember, we had Fetty Wap on, our illustrious show, and he was saying that he was upset that people don't recognize that he had 4 #1 singles at the same time. And remember, it wasn't us, he told, in a different interview, he said he had a separate apartment in Jersey just for sneakers, which is that just makes the hair on the back of my West Indian neck stand up. Like,
Wow.
boy, what to do?
Wow.
Why?
Wow.
Why?
Wow.
Why?
I mean, I
Why?
turned my weed IG live session chamber into like a walk-in closet, and I'm glad I did. Even though, of course, like, I mean, not mad money, but a decent amount of money.
Nah, the super in my building now, like, he came in, he had to fix a leak, and he passed my sneaker room, and he was like, whoa, my God, so many sneakers. I was like, yeah. I was like, that's what I do. He goes, no kids, just sneakers? I was like, yeah. He was like, oh, okay, smart. I was like, okay, nigga. Because he thought I was just like, I guess everyone in the building is just like, comes in and is like, moves their family in after the. I was like, nah, ain't nobody moving in. This is me. I was like, maybe a cat, but that's about it. Shit, sweet, you know what I'm saying? So, like, a shout out to them, you know what I mean?
Yeah, word up.
We out here. Shout out to, my people's in Port Morris. We out here, we're repping.
Word up, nigga.
Where's bum? Where's hey?
I won't rest until I own Dr. Dismore's house. My plan is to.
We have to buy that together. We have to buy that together, and we're gonna make it a reality show. We're gonna buy that, and we're gonna move all the people from the Bodega universe.
Yes.
Into Victor's gonna live there.
Yeah.
P.O., Yesenia, Michael Anthony, Ben Barson.
Oh, so good.
But they're gonna be animated. But we're gonna be so high, like we'll see them and shit.
Yeah. Remember this for real life?
Yes.
It'll be
go with that.
Yeah.
So good.
So good. That show was so foul, but it was like so exploitative.
You can't.
But at the same time,
You can't have that anymore.
you can't exploit niggas like that. Yo, the little dude, Vern Troy, R.I.P. to the God, Mini-Me, he was off the sauce all the time, like in the house, and he was just like always butt nils, like driving his little scooter around with his dick out. I'm just like, yo, bro, like,
there's so many shows you cannot reboot. There's so many. Flavor of Love.
oh my god,
Flavor of Love cannot be
bro.
rebooted. In Living Color cannot come back.
Fam, if the New York pumpkin like episode happened in 2018, there would be race riots in the streets, B.
Speak on it, my brother.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Speak on it, my brother.
there'll be riots. You hear me?
Listen,
Donald Trump would be like, New York spit in the face of pumpkin. You never spit in the face of a pumpkin. Okay? I'm orange, such as a pumpkin, and you would never dare spit in my face. I could shoot somebody on Fifth Avenue and get away with it.
he totally could.
I'm the
He
boss.
totally could.
Yeah, he
Shout
don't
out. You know what? As an American, I'm disgusted and I'm fed up with Donald Trump. As a New Yorker, I was like, yo, get your money, my nigga.
Yeah.
That nigga hustling out here.
New
Woo!
York, yeah, and a lot of people fail to realize that New Yorkers and Americans are different. B.
Different.
We're different.
It's just different
So
way of
come on, nigga,
life.
Darren, you know what I'm saying?
Sometimes you gotta just get over on niggas.
Yeah,
you know what
bro.
I'm saying, nigga?
Like
Donald
Max
Trump is
Smith.
grifting the shit out of y'all.
What?
And shout out to have you followed this new thing, Quanon, QAnon?
QAnon?
It's basically using 4chan and 8chan, those problematic message boards. Donald Trump's followers think this person Q is like, supposedly he's like a deep insider inside the government, and he's like leaking information to them, and they're waiting for this big event called the Great Awakening, because Donald Trump's plan, according to Trump supporters, is he is exposing a ring of pedophilia and child sex trafficking.
God.
And there's gonna be the Great Awakening where like they arrest Hillary Clinton and like they overthrow the government or something, and they overthrow all these pedophiles.
Get out of here.
Yes. So basically,
the guy who explicitly talks about wanting to fuck his own daughter, is out here taping for.
The guy who's literally taking kids away from their parents at the border is going to break up child abuse. Okay, all right. What? QAnon is basically being a Nicki Minaj Barb for white people. Okay, if you just want to follow some shit with no sense, just moving, just go ahead.
Cape for it hard.
Just go for that shit.
Yeah, go do your thing.
And it's getting bad because people are showing up at rallies now with like, who is Q? And the thing is, where one of us goes, all of us go, or some shit like that. Like some saying like that. They're ridiculous. It's like Pizzagate on steroids, and Pizzagate was already stupid as fuck.
Come on, man.
But you know what I'm saying?
Find something to do, niggas. Damn.
And the only reason we talk about this on the podcast is to keep y'all woke, so y'all know it. So when y'all see this shit on Twitter, you can flame these niggas.
Be like, yo, boy, this shit is waffle gazy.
Boy, you following cute, boy. And I say it because everyone's like, who's Q? Who's Q? I was like, it might be Quincy Jones.
It might be Quincy Jones.
Think about it.
Might be Quentin Miller.
It could be anybody. He's like, yo, y'all like child sex trafficking? Y'all like Brazilian music?
You know what I'm saying? Bossa Nova, nigga.
That's right. I know things about Hillary Clinton and stuff, you know what I'm saying, but I can't talk about it because I'll get killed.
You know what I'm saying? Them Beatles don't know how to play shit.
I'd follow that. Quincy Jones and is different than QAnon. You know what I mean? I'll follow that. I'll be like, yo, that's a samba god.
Yo, he gotta be. He's on point. Come on, son.
That's Quincy, man. Nigga made Thriller.
That's the god.
The nigga made Thriller.
The nigga made Thriller. Yeah, you can't. That's like mad undeniable. That's like, yo, like, well, what could you argue against that? You know what I'm saying? Like, there's mad albums, and I know art is subjective and blah blah blah. And da, 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 da.
Speak honest.
But like, yo, it's Thriller, nigga. It's Thriller, bro.
Cause this is Thriller. That's an amazing album. See, y'all kids don't know about it because all you care about now is what streams.
Yeah. And guess what? A lot of fucking songs that are coming out that you fuck with are straight up samples of Mike's songs.
That's what Nicki Minaj had to push back her album because it has a Tracy Chapman sample that they could not clear.
Wow, Tracy Chapman.
Now we all know that it was, and like her fans were like tweeting at Tracy Chapman like clear the sample. We all know
Tracy Chapman.
We all like without knowing what sample it is. I can guarantee you, we all know what Tracy Chapman sample is because Tracy Chapman only has but so many songs that have notable samples. It has to be Fast Car. Bitch, it's Fast Car. Yes, it's Fast Car. This is NASCAR. No, it's Fast Car. Or I don't know, baby.
Or fucking what do you call it? What was the other shit? I wanna. Oh, god damn it! It's her. Like if you type in Tracy Chapman, it's like
her other one.
Yeah,
her other one.
Yeah.
She's had a couple of joints. She had a couple, but I mean, Fast Car. I Want to Hold You. Baby, Can I Hold You? Crosswords, New Beginning, Telling Stories. One reason. Tell me one reason. Yeah. That's
the one reason. Yeah, give one reason. That was the joint.
Shout out to her from Ohio. You know what I'm saying?
Is that the Tracy Chapman? I thought Sampha and Tracy Chapman were the same person for the longest.
Seinfeld?
Sampha.
Oh, Sampha. Oh, wow.
Sampha?
That's different. That's different.
Am I saying the same?
I was like, you thought Tracy Chapman was a Jewish man? Like, wow.
Yeah.
Yes. Shout out to Tracy Chapman. She dated Alice Walker for a little bit there.
Word?
You know what I'm saying? Okay. She had a famous quote. I have a public life that's my work life. I have a public life that's my work life, and I have my private life. In some ways, the decision to keep the two things separate relates to the work I do. So y'all stop commenting on people's private lives.
Oh shit, that's like a Drake quote. I'm about to use that on my wife.
There you go.
Like yo,
there you go.
Like yo. Listen, I like to keep my private life. I wasn't hiding you from the world.
I was hiding the world. I was hiding. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Also, can I go on record? Now, this is a hot take. I want to say Scorpion might be Drake's worst album.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The worst.
Yeah.
I mean,
and not worse like worse beat wise or but just it just doesn't it doesn't hold.
I feel like
he's always given us an album this doesn't feel like it felt like an album he just made.
I feel like because I feel like he's trying to get out from under the deal.
Yeah.
I think he owes them like one more album or something like that. So he's not really like giving it his all, but like at the same time, he's not gonna put out some like totally whack shit.
I mean, it's kind of like
on there that are like, as soon as they come onto the club, you're like, oh shit.
Yes, but we don't live in clubs.
You know what I'm saying?
Like
But
the
that's
shit.
like
If
the
the shit
test.
bangs in the club, that's one thing.
Yeah.
Does it bang when you listen to it on the train? No. If a song only bangs because you see other people getting hyped up about it in a social situation, the shit is whack. I'm gonna just throw that out there. If there are songs that you can only enjoy at Pizza Zoo or fucking La Marina or shit, that's cool. But in your personal, like, you're not gonna have the same effect when you listen to when you're cleaning your house.
You don't get hyped up when you hear Dreams and Nightmares intro?
It's cool, but like, how do I look? Like, hold on, wait a minute, in front of my cat on a Sunday morning when I'm cleaning. Like, it's not the same energy.
Oh, computers and shit?
Computers bangs
are pushing a hole in the wall.
Computers bangs regardless, but like, it's just like how I look like I'm on the train like hee do you look like no maybe I'm just built different, maybe I'm just a different type of guy.
He niggas in there hip hop
Real hip hop, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all listen to Kiki, I'm listening to Moment of Truth by Gangstar, you know what I'm saying? Okay.
He's trying to get Pusha to send him a pair of sneakers early.
Who, me?
Is he coming out with new joints? Or did he stop?
Nah, he got I got they shot the Pusha T. I got my Pusha T sneakers already, but you know what I'm saying?
He got new joints
Yeah,
coming
Jesus
out?
be sending the joints too. You know what I'm saying? You know my Steve doom.
I remember beefing with him heavily on Twitter.
Who?
Pusha T, when the Celtics were playing the Knicks in that first round series, and Jared Jeffries had that last second opportunity to make that shot. I was beefing with Pusha T because Pusha T, they're originally from the Bronx, the Clips.
From Gun Hill Projects, make it known.
Yeah. So like, I'm like, yo, you're originally, obviously you were at Virginia, that's where you grew up, that's where you made your, you know what I'm saying, where you earn your stripes. But you a New York nigga. Why are you rooting for a Boston team, bro?
But you know what? It's like Jordan. How Jordan's a New York nigga, but like if your formative years were spent other places, that's what you know. Like, and also you don't even,
But
like.
what does Virginia have to do with Boston?
You know what? It's just not us. It's just not us. Sometimes that's all it is. Like if you, because think about if Pusha T grew up in Virginia, but his whole career was like, yo, I'm a New York nigga. You're like, get the fuck out of here. What is this? You grew up in Virginia. So people who move from New York and embrace where they're from, you have to give them a different level of respect. Then you know what I'm saying? Like people like, yo, my dad, I moved to Jacksonville when I was 1, but I was still in New York. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, no, nigga, you don't know. You don't know nothing. How you use a retro card?
Can you visualize
Name a block? They're like 34th Avenue in Manhattan.
Yeah. And second Boulevard.
Nah, it doesn't work.
Nah, I don't work like that, B.
Don't work like that.
Don't get gas because it's a grid, nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's bad numbers. And don't go above the triple digits, you get hurt.
Well,
not even anymore, right? Isn't like, well, I mean, the east side of Harlem is still not like.
No, it's pretty safe. You'd be surprised. Gentrification is in full effect.
I feel like it's just like really brave white people that don't care about rats the size of house cats. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Like, and they're just like, fuck it, I'm just gonna move in here because it's up and coming, and I want to get in on the ground floor.
I mean, you gotta jump ahead of time. You know what I mean? Like,
just crazy.
Just if you move in places, just respect the culture and don't try to change the culture. That's the problem. That's the problem with gentrification. If people just chill. Just like, yo, I'm around y'all now. Let me take this all in. People move in and like, yo, y'all gonna live life the way I want y'all to live life. Stop playing dominoes outside.
Poppy, if you don't have ancient grain fucking rolls for my bacon, egg, and cheese, that's vegan bacon, next week, I'm calling the Better Business Bureau on you.
What's the Better Business Bureau even do?
What do they even do?
I think cancel because like you do triple B's on Google. What comes up?
Big baller brand, baby. Stay in your motherfucking lane. Never lost. Stay in your motherfucking lane, nigga.
Okay.
Stop fucking playing with me, Better Business Bureau. Y'all niggas ain't doing no business. We do a big business.
We're gonna do the Better Bronx Bureau. If you have like a complaint about Bronx business, we just go in there and fuck them up.
Yeah.
To shake niggas down and shit.
Or just be like, yo, fuck it, nigga.
I just come through like, yo, you really not giving niggas back their change in their hand?
Like, word?
Word?
Like, word?
What hand you right with? Let me see. Just break your hand with a fucking hammer and shit. How you feel, Poppy? Oh, you really charging niggas? Oh, you charging niggas? You really charging $14 for the entourage?
Oh, what?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let me see your hand. What hand you right with?
He's like, no, I do this in my country.
What hand you right with?
No, I do this in my country.
Give me your hand.
My country. No. Something their hand off. He's like,
Brock 12 is just like, someone's going around and they're breaking people's hands. Like, and clearly Jessica Cuttington and everyone they see us on the video, like, if you have any information on who these people are, it's clearly
it's
our
a sketch
faces.
artist. The sketch artist.
I'm on a hat that clearly says Bodega Boys. There's like, we have no idea who these guys are. If you have any information,
Any information at
keep
all.
it to yourself.
Back to you, Reno.
Fucking-
I have no idea who these niggas are either.
The congressman, what's his name? The one that wrote you the Dominican.
Oh, the Bodega Adriano. He'd be like,
we are looking for these culprits. We have no idea who they are.
I don't know who he is. He may be from Pennsylvania, but he's not in New York. Metro
You're
area.
holding up like the degree he gave you and shit. Like, yo.
He's like, yo, I'm innocent.
Like, yo.
I'm innocent.
Niggas dropped it. Like, yo, check out Bodega Boys. You know what it is? We breaking niggas' hands and
you know what I'm
shit.
saying? We out here.
They're like, NYPD is stumped.
Break your hand challenge. Speaking of breaking your hand, I saw a commercial because now, like, the opioid epidemic.
Listen, let me tell you something. I don't know where you're going, but I'm excited. I'm as excited as the listeners right now.
Yo.
Because you said, speaking of breaking your hands, so let's fucking go.
Yeah, there's fucking, because of the opioid epidemic, people are finding creative ways to get, like,
Opioids when you go to the
whatever.
ER. Yeah.
Fam, your man put his hands on a workbench, took a sledgehammer, and smashed his hand to pieces just to go to the fucking ER and get fucking oxys or whatever the fuck.
Wow.
I'm like, fam, you're wildin'. I will go through every morsel of drugs at my house before I do some shit like that.
I mean, sometimes, you gotta get your Peter Gabriel on.
Sometimes Julio don't pick up.
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an airplane fly.
Yeah, I don't know nothing about that.
What y'all know about that, you youngin'?
Go ahead, young blood.
Mero, the ribs ready?
Let me see something.
Did you boil them?
Huh? Flip, I told you turn them over till 20 minutes ago. Slow and low.
For those of you that don't know, that was Peter Gabriel Sledgehammer.
Yeah.
Get it because he's talking about Sledgehammer.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Is that the shit? Is that the one with the girls with the guitars?
no, this is the one where he has like the trains and shit running over him and shit. It's
okay.
like fucking wilding.
Wow.
But
That's the Peter Gabriel for having two first names.
also, just fucking up every substitute teacher. It's like, Gabriel? It's like, that's my last name. No, but I mean, if you're breaking your hand to get opioids,
Fam.
that's what's wild is everyone's like, yo, opioids is like a problem. I'm like, yo, that's some regular Bronx shit. Like, why did y'all care about like my aunt that died in 1993? Like, why now? We can't.
I mean,
because now it's in the white community.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we said it.
All right.
You know
Everyone's
what I'm
like, oh my God, heroin's out of control. Like, yeah, heroin's a regular thing in New York.
Yeah, heroin has been rocking for longer than Curtis Blow. Man.
And you know what?
What are you talking about?
I mean, even in the longevity of this podcast, no one had a problem when we was doing like Dope Fiend Julio.
Yeah.
Everyone was like, I'm sick. Oh, Bobby. Like, that was cool.
Yeah,
so when
so
we started
funny.
doing Michael Anthony, then people was like, it's not funny.
It's so funny.
You're making fun of the opioid
I
crisis.
know people like that.
But guess what?
Well, guess what? I don't give a shit. I'm fucking sick. I need to call fucking Julio. My guts hurt. My fucking veins are on fire. I need that hot bag, bro.
Oh my
I just
God.
want to end it all.
My sweet Michael Anthony.
Now fuck you, you fucking cunt.
And the worst part is, you guys listen to this and laugh. And
Nah.
guess what?
Yeah, fuck
you guys
you.
are the real fiends.
Yeah, you know what?
Not my Michael Anthony.
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Every week you wait for the podcast like Julio.
And
Who are you to judge?
Yeah, and your guts hurt
Shut
too.
the fuck up, Julio.
Fuck yeah.
Shut the fuck up, Michael Anthony.
Now fuck
I'm
you.
trying to help you.
Mom, you're a bitch. You're
I'm
not
a
trying
bitch,
to help
but I
shit.
need you.
You want to help me? Give me $20 so I can get
No
a fucking
money. I'm
bundle.
cutting you off. I'm cutting you off.
You fucking cunt.
Don't. Hey, no F words.
Shut up. I'm going to play Fortnite. Leave me the fuck alone. I want to sit down here and nod off this last of the hot bag I got.
Oh, my
Bring me a clean spoon.
Oh, my clean Michael Anthony.
You
Please
got- you-
avoid the storm.
Mad on this fucking broad.
Please don't do the L dance when you win. Shout out to Fortnite. Just make it mad. How much money do you think Fortnite makes a month?
Oh, upwards of seven figures. Like 8 maybe.
300 million.
300 million. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not even that. I didn't even blink. I thought it was gonna be like 800 million, to be honest. Because like every time
Fortnite is set to make $2 billion this year.
Oh my
Disgusting. We got to make a Fortnite.
Yo.
Let's make a. We can come up. We had the Fortnite with books. This shit is whack.
I mean, the graphics.
We have to make a Fortnite with.
The graphics aren't even like. It's not like. It's fun.
Yeah, it's a little cartoony. I don't really like it.
But it's yeah.
I want that. I like that. If you listen, I'm gonna show. Because somebody was like, you and Mero always talk about boards on video games. Yeah. That shows your age. So I was like, yeah, fuck you.
Fuck you.
But no, I really appreciate Call of Duty. How graphic the violence is. Like when you shoot someone, them niggas die,
bro.
It's not like brrr. It's like, yo, they need to make a mad realistic video game where you don't die right away. Like after you shoot someone, they're on the fucking ground with like a sucking chest wound. Like you can't like run back after 30 seconds. They're still there like, put me out of my misery. Like
was it Modern Warfare 3 where you fight the guy and you're like fighting over a knife or whatever? You end up stabbing the
campaign,
chest,
yes.
and then you gotta throw the
knife in the guy. Yeah, that was good. Problem with that, it was all it was like pre-scripted, so it didn't matter where you threw the knife. Like the shit was
gonna land.
It's gonna land regardless. Yeah. I think it was Grand Theft Auto 4 Ballad of Gay Tony, the spinoff. That was one of the most violent because they were just like people were just like Grand Theft Auto 4 was too dark and too realistic because it was like about Serbia and like trafficking and all that stuff. Like nobody wanted that. They added mad shit, and then one of the things was like you could shoot niggas. And like when they got shot for real. Like you could blow people's legs off, so they would lose their leg and be like hobbling away and die. Appreciated that. Rockstar. Bring that back.
Shout out to Rockstar, B.
Listen, you gotta make 6 shit for 6 people, so they stay doing 6 shit online instead of real life.
Yo, Rockstar, how about this? How about Desus and Mero Destroy the City?
I believe that's called Grand Theft Auto 6.
Yes.
Oh, imagine me and you in Grand Theft Auto. Remember I pitched it. Grand Theft Auto 6, me, you, and Cardi B, and it takes place in Jamaica and DR.
Yes.
Woo! They're good.
No flying helicopter, no remote control helicopter.
None of that fly shit. None of that. Listen, just the simple shit.
Straight guns, cheat codes,
machetes,
super jumps. You know what I'm saying?
The mission's mad whack. Like, yo, go kill all his goats.
You killed 3 goats, you got 5 stars.
It's like a melee. It's like, ah!
Cops is running after you because they don't got a fucking vehicle.
You go to a store and buy camouflage shorts, and now you have 5 stars and shit. Only the cops can have that. Oh no! They're like, the barrel came in. You got to drive across the island. It takes 2 hours.
Yo! It's like a fucking supply drop and shit in the barrel. You open the shit up in straight white jeans. Like, no,
you have reached the checkpoint.
No.
That's your health indicator. How dirty your white jeans are. You're like, oh no, he's sucia. Oh no, oh no. You're about to die. They're like, Auntie sent a package. You're like, yes. You're crawling on the ground to customs. Like, you open it. It's like a stack of CDRs and a USB stick. You're like, yeah, it's a rice.
Let's take a Dreamcast with no wires.
Me send the games next time. Oh, enjoy Crazy Taxi.
Yo. Niggas sitting there tight watching the demo and shit. Nigga can't even play this shit. Like, damn.
Oh shit. Crazy Taxi was a game.
That was a great game.
Do you remember the opening title by Offspring?
Come on over, have some fun with Crazy Taxi.
Whoa.
Okay.
All right, I've been told we have to stop because the RIAA is about to sue us. They're like, oh, can't just be putting songs in this shit.
Be putting songs?
Like, this is intellectual property. I know SoundCloud was like, should we flag this? Like, are they just, are they still?
No.
SoundCloud probably thinks we're a cover band.
Yo, I got kicked off IG Live the other night because I was playing a song and it was like, you're playing music that is not.
Yeah, game is shit. You
like
can't.
Whatever. I was like, what?
That's how the streams work now, baby.
Yeah, it's
you
crazy.
can't just be playing music. Like, music is people's intellectual property, and because the music industry is about to implode on itself, they are nickel and diming every possible way to get revenue from it. Because why? As we talked about earlier, people are no longer buying music. People are buying subscriptions to listen to music, which makes no fucking sense. That's like going to a bar, instead of paying for the drink, you're paying for them to just like put a little Hennessy on your tongue. And you leave. Like, you did not just pay for the shit. Like, I get mad smacked and all I do is I just buy albums. So I wake up and they'll be like, you spent $40 on the iTunes last night. And I'm just like, why? Why did I do that?
What'd I do?
But then I look and I'm like, yo, I'm buying albums that I enjoy because I think there's like 2 months left before you cannot purchase downloads from iTunes. So I'm just trying to like speed everything up. And my whole thing is, and I hope y'all listening, what are y'all DJs gonna do? Where y'all getting your MP3s from? Does Beatport still exist?
Oh yeah, Beatport's still out there.
Is that where y'all getting your music from? Because that's not as seamless as you know, like iTunes. iTunes is like clicking. Then it's on your MacBook. It's on your iPhone, your iPad. It's on everything.
Yep.
But you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm just nervous, D. I'm just worried about the conspiracies. I just want the best for the community. You know what I'm saying?
But you know what? That's a good thing though, because now they will teach the youth to DJ for real, and it will be the new era of crate digging.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that because the whole idea of crate, like, because of Serato, kids do not know about vinyl.
That's true.
Think about it. If you can grow up your whole life and be the illest DJ and the only vinyl you have ever handled is the two vinyl things that come with Serato. And that's not how it should be. You don't know about going to some weird ass record store and buying something just because the lady's naked on the cover.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
But you know about putting a little dot on your fucking record and shit.
You know what I'm saying? Taking a marker and making a little line. Maybe put a nickel on top of your fucking turntable needle so you can scratch better because the shit is belt drive. Shit. You don't know about hip hop. What y'all know about the 5 pillars?
Hip hop.
Okay? The 5 pillars of hip hop. Jan Sports, Timberlands, oversized boots, ski goggles, and vinyl.
Yes,
there
right.
you go. Hip hop. Oh, and Everex jackets.
That's right. And KRS-One's nose. Don't
if you never drank Cisco in high school and argued if Nas' second album was better than Jay-Z's first album, get out of here. Not hip hop.
I actually had that very same argument.
Everyone had that argument.
But with E&J though, that's Cisco.
With who?
With E&J.
There you go.
Cisco, yeah.
Yo, also, why were we drinking heavy so hard? Well, you know what? New York. Not to say New York is buns now. New York used to be wild.
Yeah.
So
and it wasn't like the little nip bottle either. It was like the 750 milliliter joint.
Catch me in G Stelio over at the White Castles over here by Lehman High School getting turned up. I remember niggas tried to rob me for my fucking Smith & Wesson tape I was listening to in my Walkman. And at that moment, I said, I will die before these niggas take my fucking Smith & Wesson.
You'll never take our Cocoa Brothers.
I remember I told them at a party, I met them later on in life, and I was like, yo, I almost died for your tape. They was like, you should just let it go. You could have bought a new one. I was like, that's not the answer I want.
No.
Nigga, y'all talking gang shit on that shit. That's why I didn't give up the tape. But yes. If you learn one thing from these, it's like never give up nothing.
The single is like, if you give up this tape, you wild pussy.
Yeah.
That's like the lead single.
And he's like, yo, run your tape. I was like, no, fuck you.
Yeah.
Let's go. I got the box cut. New York is getting back to the carrying box cutter days.
Yeah, I like it. I mean,
like that.
I mean, yeah.
Now you got to cut the nigga's face. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not mad at that. But
sometimes you got to make a guy feel red Kool-Aid on his face.
Yeah.
So he knows what it is.
Because if you keep it safe and keep it in the face, it's not life-threatening.
Keep it safe. Keep it in the face. Keep it safe. Keep it in the face.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So tell my shorties.
That's the new Grind Boys thing.
Yo.
Full cross the pond, mate. You know Grind Boys.
Yo.
Shout out to the console. Shout out to Meghan Markle. We see you, biracial queen. You know what it is. In it. Shout out to town council. Keep it in the face. Man said cut them face.
Yo, I was in the supermarket yesterday and I totally forgot that tabloids exist and they just straight be making shit up.
Yeah.
Like, how do you not get in trouble for that? Like, because I saw
like
one that was
parody and stab, like whatever. But you got the money because I saw the New York Times, New York National Enquirer. I sell them stories about you all the time, and they just don't buy them. They just don't. I was like, yo, I called them. And we're like, yo, Mero's daughter's a robot. And like we don't. They're like, you think it's like 2000. We don't write stories. I was like, yo, Mero's their kid's the Bat Boy.
Yeah, it's the Bat Boy. I was about to say. Nigga, Bad Boy. Yo, Bill Clinton had a secret mailing with aliens.
Like, yo, Mero faked the moon landing. They're like, Jesus, stop calling. You called 3 times in the last 10 minutes. I was like, Mero didn't even move the church. It's a soundstage.
Yo.
So a lie. It's Cybertronics. They're like, we're going to block you, Jesus.
Yo.
They're like, are you calling it from the Stop and Shop checkout? I was like,
hey.
This line is moving very slowly.
We have your IP address. Stop.
I was like, Mero signed up to Scientology, right? They're like, Jesus.
Yo, what if we just join Scientology for like a month and just be like, yo.
Just be the wild side. Because
is that shit like Ant-Man, nigga? Is
no,
it like blood in, blood out?
That's the thing. Because everyone is like, yo, Scientology, they kill people. No, they kill white people.
Okay.
I wish we joined Scientology. It was like, we're good. And they're trying to kill us. Nigga, I will fuck Tom Cruise up, okay?
Bro, I'll turn that nigga into a fucking bagel, nigga.
All right? You want to run in fucking in Mission Impossible? Nigga, I'll have you running down fucking Bruckner Boulevard, my nigga. Imagine like Hasan tells you, yo, Mero, could you stop talking about us?
Nah, I'll be like, yo, go ahead, Jack, reach her, nigga. I'm about to reach for my shit.
Go ahead. Come out with the fucking the Ralph Lauren boxes with the wild dick out. Like, what's up?
What's poppin'?
What's good?
I got 2 guns up, nigga.
What's up? Got 2 guns up and I'm not talking about firearms and shit. Fuck you, nigga. Yo. But you know what? It's been episode 121.
That's right, you fucking cowards.
Scientology, please don't kill us, because listen, we got guns at Red Bull Studio. We will kill you.
Yeah, that's right.
We actually don't. We don't. Just keeping it clear for Red Bull. Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Phallic.
That's right.
Ladies, 5 more reps. Yeah, we still working out. Chris Stafford, Sling Dick, Eli Libby. Butcher was good slow. Slow down might know you.
He might.
Ooh. Wow.
Yeah.
Slow down might know you, bitch. Yeah. Young Day Party, Young Hot Tape. DJ Fuego, Mr. Don's Rodorando, Mikhail going off, Neil 994, Mikhail going off, Juve Boss, MCU Goofy, putting up for 40 with your shorty.
God damn.
AKA, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. Why?
I don't fucking know you,
I don't know you. The original my +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss. This is Rossi, the Jamaican Jew.
Ooh.
I am Jamaican and a Jew.
Oh.
Okay?
Amari put him on.
Brooklyn Babylon 2.
Yo.
All right?
Yo.
Black Talk, got nothing on me. Yeah.
The wailing, Bob Marley and the Wailing Wall.
It's going to be me, and we're going to get Julia, who used to be on our show. It's going to be a show about that, about how we're in love. Every time we're about to kiss, she's going to like do her laugh. I'm like, whoa, chill.
It's chill.
You wildin'. You make me uncomfortable, man.
You're wilding out.
What you want, wilding out? Also, the whole staff of Wildin' Out doesn't approve of the relationship. Nick Cannon's like, nah. I'm Nick Cannon. I don't like this interracial shit. I don't like this at all. Gotta go talk to my man Carlos, get advice and shit. He's like, yo, all I can tell you is, stop touching shit.
Listen to me, nigga. If she got some titties, put them shits in your mouth. If she got titties, put them in your mouth.
Shout out to Carlos, the homie. Oh my God. Shout out to my guy. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakuni without the coonery. AKA Two Limo, left hand reliever for the Yankees, K. Lou K. D-Phone Jones, Dizeg Machina. J. Chacos, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonsley with Dilute. Leonardo Trapio, Mr. 240p, cause I like my Pinot Blurry. 240p, I like my Pinot Blurry.
I like Minecraft Pinot. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
I like 8-bit Pinot.
Wow.
Yeah.
Jesus, wow. Nasty. AKA DJ Woola, AKA listening to Watch the Film.
Oh, what do we got on deck tonight?
Listen, kids.
I can't wait.
Are your parents going through a divorce?
What's going on?
Because listen, I got some music for you.
Play it. Oh, nigga throwing the Stained. Wow! Nigga throwing the like sweaty white guy in a black t-shirt as Anthem. Since I could hold my head up high.
How many times have your parents fought and you slammed your door, you went upstairs, you were like, I don't want this family.
I hate you guys.
And your parents came downstairs and were like, listen, you have to choose. You want to live with your dad or your father?
We both love you.
we both love you. They're like the same guy. It's like, mom's new friend Bob is moving in, so I just want to get in front of this.
You mean the guy that's been sleeping on the couch for a month?
Oh, I hate you guys. That's right, a little Stained. It's been a while.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna lie. Like, that was a very emotional song when I was coming up. I was like, yeah.
Yo, you know who put them on?
Who?
Limp Bizkit.
Wow. Yeah. Shout out to Limp Bizkit. Shout out to them. Yo, the current GOAT, Jesus Spice, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Red Nephew's nephew. That's right. I took the DNA test. Mirano, you cannot contain the human mimic. Where to ja? Young Aaron, the racing provocateur. Henry Budcross, Nelson Mandela, Sergio cannot see me. Vladimir Buffett, Human Weathers melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Tick. Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, more say with your chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi, not making me got that cucumber. The juice suppressed, but your boy never is. Put me under that pressure. Push me under that thing where they squeeze the radishes to get the juice. I'm never under pressure. And I am the art. Damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of news. The Prince of Peck on the Fashion Over Casting Over the William H. 10 $10.
Yeah, what you on? Big money one. That's right, wheel up, bring away.
anthem, I salute is Dipset. Mississauga, catch me at square one top left. Trill Rizzuto. Holy cow, catch me at the money store. We get soft pawns because all we do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D.
Yeah.
David Yerman. Suspense DJ. Yeah. Smoking Noah. Andrew Coonanen. Who wants to die in a cool way to new age music. Relax. Don't do it. Then you want to get to it. Just put a pair of scissors through your chest. Yeah. Call me Petco because I got what?
Your bitch on free.
That's right. There's like Jesus. That's not how you pronounce it. Hey, the topic is gossip and sayasset. Yeah. Sometimes I use an off-peak ticket during peak time. Don't tell anybody.
I heard he had once had a sexual encounter with Billy Joel.
Listen, what happens attracts stays attracts. Mr. Stop and Shout, he's treat easy like a bad breed, like I'm easy. Please believe the black Asiatic crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mess Marina with fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, aka your problematic babe. Up next, we got the human plateau. He's the only anatomically correct plantain.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Because I got the fucking, you know what it is, B. Peel it back. You know what I'm saying? I got the hood. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Duref Vibe, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa! You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb. You know what I'm saying? Hit your dog, hit your baby, nigga, hit your fucking bike, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Go put that city back where you found it, motherfucker. I know fucking baby, I fucking mang. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to nigga, fuck you, me, guest list. Nigga, I'm Pio's uncle, B. You know what I'm saying? This is his baby shower, B. What the fuck? You know what I'm saying, nigga? AKA CC's dad Bathia. You know what I'm saying? AKA I got my kids doing basketball drills with LeBron and black drag drills with Michael Jordan because I'm the fucking dad of the year. AKA Bitch Mac Bio Boy. AKA D. Yeah, yo, Maradona. AKA Dick in your bed, Motombo. You don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me unless you bring me dowry of 20 cattle. You know what I'm saying? AKA Bortles Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the go-kart. AKA swipe my car again, nigga. There's definitely money on it. Put the plastic on the bag, man. You're embarrassing us both. Terry.
Off the name badge, like
yeah, Terry. Like, yo, you're 78, Terry. You should have retired.
He's the guy from that video where the security guard's not really touching people. I should have retired, but I have to do it because my wife needs urgent care. So
sorry. Everybody say hey, AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny. Let me find out. You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican Daddy. You know what I'm saying? AKA Light Nail Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke and think you're fine. And you also, on top of that, disrespected me by not only showing up without 5, you showed up with the 99-cent raps, my nigga. Them shits that are just straight cancer paper, bro. You really disrespected me, and I'm really feeling away.
Sad.
Right? Sad. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated, you know what I'm saying? We still winning because we cheaters. AKA Feel the Ass Tyson, you know what I'm saying? I want to explore your cosmos mind, especially that Milky Way. Nasty. Let me smell them shits after we finish, you know what I'm saying? I'm a nasty boy. AKA Fighting on Messi, MVP of Gelato, AKA Daniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smuggle me at Mama Sushi. And if you see me doing Dykeman, fucking doing donuts in a fucking minivan on Dykeman, nigga, you don't know me. AKA Ben Boston.
Dump.
My hands are gifted. I'll replace your aortic valve with a baby dick. Ben, why would you do that? Those two things are anatomically incongruent.
You can never have enough baby dicks.
Because I can, nigga. And Desus is absolutely right. You can never have enough baby dicks. Stupid. Don't question my expertise. AKA, open your medicine cabinet, secure your benzos, because it's the fucking Sandman. AKA, Rico Sabroso. You know what I'm saying? That's what your titi call me. AKA, Lucius Lion ass nigga. Baby, I'll go to Yesenia because she's an excellent nurse and caregiver. It has nothing to do with her outrageous yeeks. Come on, man. AKA, Baby Newfoot. 2 for 5 niggas got garbage on the way. AKA, Nino Brown shut the car down. AKA, live from 187th and Prospect asking for bust downs. It's the East Tremont Stevie doing all his greatest hits like Toxic Love, Come Back to Me, and I Wanna Be the One Your DT is fucking. That's right. If your DT got to put a Betty Boop tattoo, that nigga probably smashed it from the back. AKA from across the pond, mate. You know what I'm saying? It's no more rock stars. You know what it is. I've being telling you motherfucking clown bastards. It's only the Bodega Boys left. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy. The plantains sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Dream On. Very high on angel dust, holding hands with your senior. AKA, I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. AKA, man, listen, I'm pulling up from 40 and getting violated by NBA 2K fucking rating system. It's your boy Carmelo's Anthony.
What did they
it's
give
like
Melo?
in the 60s, bro.
Wow.
It is total absolute violation.
The disrespect. That man got too many hats for you to
Come
treat
on,
him like
stop
that.
playing.
Because he will attack, and you won't like that.
You won't like that. You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target higher than a giraffe jerking off on the moon, nigga, approach me with a fucking. Approach me with fucking.
Is that what Jeffrey's doing now that Toys R Us closed?
That's it. He's on the moon jerking off. He's up there with Richard Branson. You know what I'm saying? And fucking Elon Musk. You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target higher than the giraffe jerking off on the moon, my nigga, respect my agency and do not approach me unless you do so like an assigned manual. AKA, I sold Fake It Lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. Now he's dead because I just gave him just straight up bleach. I've been phoning it in with the fake lean. Now he's just dead. Like talking about skirt.
This nigga's responsible for the death of Boonk.
Just on a wild flatline after that last skirt. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Llegó el DJ más duro. DJ Hasan y Zayn, coño, que tiene los Smith lockdown, motherfucker. ¿Qué lo que con qué lo que? Llegó el hijo de FIFA. El que baja con hasta los pelos de la bolsa, pinta Versace. Y el AK te deja tirado como una alfombra, más huevo, palomo, en Ziploc. Tengo una .40 para volarte la cabeza a cualquiera. Gordita, ven pa' mi mesa, que yo te pago la lipo, porque yo soy el rey de la chapi. Episode 121, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I see y'all niggas on tape.
You know what it is. Shout out to the sponsor. Shout out to Red Bull. You know what it is. Always
Square
providing us Square K-Dash. And be sure to look out for that Mr. Nutcracker truck going through these New York City streets out the Peralta Project.
You know what I'm saying?
Check out the AKAs on it.
Big up Tony.
You know what it is. Listen, the brand is brolic.
Brazil.
You know what I'm saying? The brand is getting to the point the government might have to regulate it.
You know what I'm saying? We might have to do a congressional hearing.
The brand's out of control. You know what? The brand is so out of control, we about to link up with Cambridge Analytica and just like steal your data. That's how we out here. Yo, 121, we out.
Yalla.